Hey there, my name's Dimitri, and in this video, I want to dive into a really cool note-taking organization workflow with Tactiq. So Tactiq's a great product. It's been out for a while. If you've seen any of our other videos here, you know that it's pretty simple. You can go into a meeting, you can basically enjoy the fact that everything's going to be transcribed, and then from there, what you can do is where the real, I think, magic happens. Because sure, it's nice to like look at the transcript as it's going and be like, oh, hey, look, there's a bunch of stuff going on. But rather than rereading what somebody said a few seconds ago because you weren't paying attention, the real magic comes afterwards. And I know for me, I'm somebody who absolutely needs to get more stuff done. And I don't have time to run through all the different steps it takes to follow up with people. I have so many projects going on, I just don't really have the time, okay, to deal with putting together an after call workflow of like, oh, let's summarize the meeting, let's send it out. No. We're not doing that. We're using workflows instead of Tactiq to make it super easy. I'll show you how. So I'm inside of a meeting right here that I finished up. You'll see right here, there's some workflows and I have a workflow library as well. And what I'm gonna do is I really wanna just make a follow-up message to someone. I don't want to deal with, having to send something to someone and generate the action items and that kind of thing. So let's go to my workflows. I'm going to go to a new workflow and you'll see there are different workflows within here. So let's do this one. I want to go to write a summary, review it, and send to Slack. Let's preview this one. Okay, I'm going to duplicate it actually just to see it. So run a GPT prompt and capture the result. Okay, cool. I like that. Review it before proceeding. I would like to review it. I would also like it to do one more thing, I'd say, which is send it to Slack. This is something that a lot of people like. They like to get that nice summarized message within here. But say, for example, I wanted it to be something different. It doesn't have to be a summary. I could change this. I could select an AI prompt that I have. I actually want to generate action items. That's what I care about more. I want people to know the action items coming out of meetings. Okay. So if we go to connect Tactiq to Slack, I'm going to allow the access here. Connect it to my account, press allow. Then the integration is going to ask me what channel to put it in. And I'm going to put, have this channel called like tasks to do services. So after like a client call, we could have it just pop up for team members to be like, all right, this is your to-dos after the call. Okay, so let's go here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna press run workflow and I'm gonna grab my end of week manager sync. So what it's gonna do is gonna go second here. All right, tell us set up to reiterate use of dumb emails to team, send 5 different background options to Damon for review, collaborate with Ninfus on the motion, improved intro. Awesome, yeah, this is exactly it. Follow up with Claire regarding magical project. Be on the lookout for updates on recording. Yes. So if I press accept, now what's gonna happen is it's going to share this from this transcript, right? So I'm gonna go to Slack and go to that channel and show you at work. All right, look at that Tactiq message. Here are the action items. Boom. So that's the basic part of it, but you can actually format it differently if you'd like. For me, I'm gonna go back to the builder and you'll see I can put something before like, here are the action items coming out of our recent meeting, and then grab the variable and I can do the title of the meeting and then do a parentheses for like the time, right? So like the start time, I'd say. So meeting date and then date. Okay, close it off with another bracket and then let's run that again for the same end of week manager sync. I just want to see it work one more time. This is going to ask me to confirm it again with the action items, which we know it's going to be fine. And then it's going to send the message via Slack. And the second that it goes green, we're good. Bingo, did it. Perfect. Now, what I will say is you do have to do some formatting. So you just want to make sure that that's all squared away. But for the most part, this should be good for now. And then what you can do is inside of the builder is you also can save it and then go to your meetings, like that meeting itself. And all I could have done after the meeting, as you can see, I'm going to write out a workflow. So you see it says Slack for integrations. It's really nice. It showcases what integrations. So I'm going to say follow up with action items after meeting. And I always like to put a little hyphen and then the integrations that I like to have in there. So press save. And then I just go here to my workflows afterwards. And you'll see there's a bunch of recently used ones. And I can just press follow up with action items after every meeting. And it'll send that out to Slack, which is really nice. So that's how you get your time saved with Tactiq and follow up after meetings, because Lord knows, can't stand that, man. It's just not fun, not fun. I want AI to do it for me, and this allows you to do it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next one.